What's up? Welcome back to Hot Rod Model Cars. Today I'm going to show you this 56 T-Bird that I've been working on. It's the first build of my season for this year. It's got the wheels off of one of those 55 Gasser Chevrolets. So I know it's Ford. Chevrolet stuff don't fit on Fords, but it does in my world. Anyway, I started out, I cut off the rear bumper because I didn't want the spare tire on the back Continental kit, and opened up the wheel wells in the back, and I raised up the rear end and put the wheelie bars on the back from the 55 kit. It's got the steering wheel from the 55 kit. And I made that hood. You have to pardon my hand, I spray painted it a while ago by accident. Anyway, I made this hood out of a Thunderbolt hood somebody cut that I had laying around, so I figured I'd use it. It's got a Boss 9 engine in it with a tunnel ram. I made the headers out of solder like I always do with the homemade headers. It's got diamonds for headlights and turn signal lights. I took a Sharpie and colored the headlights red. That paint that's on it is a Doopy color, actual car paint. It is. This is the paint right here. And I just went over it with some Doopy color 1K clear. But anyway, I got this one knocked out. I'm gonna be working on another one soon. I'm gonna try to start getting videos out every Sunday or Monday, maybe. I don't know yet. Just depends on how hectic everything is. Anyway, sorry about the long wait for a video. You know, it got cold and I don't have no heat in my building out here. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching and checking out the Thunderbird. If you would, please give me a like and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.